The next market crash isn't a future headline. It's already here. The Buffett indicator, a measure of market valuation, is screaming a warning at a record high, a level Buffett himself called playing with fire. For most, that's a signal to run. But this exact moment will decide if you go broke or get rich. The single costliest mistake is panic selling, locking in your losses while history's greatest investors are preparing to buy. The playbook isn't about predicting the bottom, it's about discipline. First, secure your foundation, a robust emergency fund. Then, instead of fleeing, automate your investing with dollar-cost averaging, buying more shares as prices fall. Hunt for high-quality, resilient companies, those with low debt and strong cash flow, now selling at a discount. As Buffett famously advised, be greedy when others are fearful. Fortunes aren't made in bull markets. They are secured during the downturns. The choice is yours.